Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. How are you doing? My name is Adam Silva. In this channel, I talk about mushroom farming. This particular video is a complete guide on what you need to know, on what you need to buy when you want to start a mushroom farming. I have listed it comprehensively, things that you need to buy, do when you want to, and things to consider when you want to start a mushroom farming. Just stick around and watch this video to the end so that you don't miss any parts, especially stage 3 of this video. We'll talk about spawn production. Spawn is the seed of the mushroom. Okay, so in this class I have 4 stages. I have the first stage, the second stage, the third stage, and the fourth stage. Okay, let me mention the stages. Now the first stage is you choosing the type of mushroom you want to farm. Then second stage is execution, items to buy. Then the third stage is spawn production, and the fourth is harvesting, watering, and marketing. Okay, so let's continue. In the first stage, you choose the type of mushroom you want to grow. Like here in Nigeria, we grow mostly this white mushroom, oyster white mushroom is always white. It's common here. Okay, that's what we grow here. So oyster is everywhere, it's almost everywhere. Okay, so if that's your target, and that should be your target if you are in Nigeria, because you can easily see the spawn to grow. Okay, so when you choose the mushroom you want to grow, then the second stage you need to plan is know the size of your space. What are you planning? Are you planning to have to make it commercial or private, so just for your consumption? If you want to make it commercial, that means you need to consider the size of the farm you want to grow your mushroom. That will determine how many bags that is involved. That takes us to number 3. Estimate the number of bags and pattern of arrangement. Estimating the number of bags now depends on the size of your space. Okay, I made a video, you can check the video. I made a video about how you can arrange your bags in your little space and it contain more bags. Okay, so now the pattern you want to arrange your bags matters a lot. In that same video you will see that I explained that you can hang. You see some people hang in line. It will now be demarcated. You put one bag, you put second bag, you put third bag, fourth bag, depending on the height of the building, for you to get your, that's mushroom bags, for you to get your mushrooms. Okay, so in order with other people, they stack in counter. They stack in counter. Okay, something like this. They stack in counter. Okay, so now the second stage is execution and items to buy. There are items you need to buy and things you need to do for you to know that you are really ready for mushroom farming. Okay, number 1 is sawdust. Sawdust is common everywhere. If you just go to timber shade, anywhere they cut trees, especially in timber stores, you get sawdust, and it's almost free everywhere. So you now have to buy, second one, you have to buy transparent nylon. Transparent nylon will be when you sterilize your sawdust, you put in a transparent nylon. This is not actually the process, but I'm telling you items you need to bear in mind that you will buy. Okay, so I'm not telling you the process of using it. Number 3 is rubber band. You need rubber band. You need to be using it to tie your transparent nylon. Number 4, you need cotton wool. During the process, there's where you will need cotton wool. Number 5, you need metal drum. Metal drum is what you use to sterilize your sawdust when you are putting it in your nylon. Okay, so you now have a gas burner. Gas burner you use to sterilize your mushroom substrates. That's the sawdust. Okay, the burner, the metal drums will be on top of the burner. and the mushroom spawn substrates will be inside a drum with water, and you sterilize. Okay, now you need your spawn. You need to buy spawn, but buying spawn in a commercial quantity, I don't think is advisable. So it's better you learn how to produce your own spawn. That will be the best option for you. To produce your own spawn, that will be the best option for you, because spawn is expensive. You can't really buy the quantity that will be enough for you to do commercial. Okay, so you need to learn how to produce your own spawn. Number 8 is face mask. You need your face mask to cover yourself, to protect the mushroom too. Then you need hand gloves. You can't be touching with your hands. And you need planks and nails for the stacking. Okay, you hit it, you place it on the wall and stack your bags. So the third stage is spawn production. Spawn is the major thing. Spawn, that's the mushroom. Okay, mushroom seed. It is the major thing. So you need to consider producing it yourself. There are a few items you need in spawn production. Number 1 item you need is pressure cooker. Pressure cooker. Okay, you need pressure cooker to sterilize your sorghum. Then you need aluminium foil. You need aluminium foil to cover. Then you need rubber band to hold the aluminium foil on the transparent bottle. You need transparent bottle too. The transparent bottle. Then you need mushroom. Okay, you need fresh mushroom to do this. So when you have your transparent bottle, you put in your sorghum grain. You know sorghum grain. You put in your sorghum grain. You cover with aluminium foil. Then tie it with your rubber band. That is settled. You put into your pressure cooker. It's settled. But though there are other things, don't just mind me saying it this way. There are other things you need to consider before doing all these things. Okay, it's not just the way I said it. There are more explanation to this, so don't just mind me. Now the last stage here is harvesting, watering, and marketing. So in harvesting, once you see your mushroom is wide enough, you harvest. There's no two ways about it. There's no science about it. Once it has spread big enough, you harvest. Then watering. Watering depends on how dry your substrate bag is. Okay, the bags, how dry it is. You can see it when it is dry. You can see it when it is wet. And it's not good to always make it so wet. So when it is dry, you water. It is not open, yes, water on the nylon. Okay, this is another lesson altogether. I'm just listing out things for you. I will make a full video on how this process is now. These items, how you use it. I'm going to make a video on that. Now, marketing. It doesn't really need much marketing. Everybody loves mushroom. You can sell anywhere. You can sell to your friends, families, anywhere. Once it is mushroom, they will buy. People will buy. So marketing it is not a problem. Marketing is not a problem. So these items, bear it in mind. If you want to start mushroom farming, this is what you are going to buy. This is some of the things. No, this is everything you need to buy about mushroom production. I've come to the end of this video. Thank you for sticking around to the end of the video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe for more videos are still coming. More detailed videos are still coming. Okay, thank you, my returning subscribers. I appreciate you so much. God bless you. See you in my next video. Bye bye.